Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome once again to Seagull International Weekly Live session, where we discuss upcoming recruitments and overseas opportunities. Myself, Hani Chaurasia, and I am front desk executive at Seagull International, and I will take you through this live journey. Before we proceed further, let us once again go through Seagull International's success scale. Seagull International LLP has been in the market for last 37 years and in less than 4 decades. Seagull has proven itself to be the biggest workforce provider in India. We are also an iOS certified global human resource consultant, rated 5-star by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. Although majority of our deployments are handled from our Mumbai head office, we also have a presence in the form of branches and technical training institutes all across countries, along with a vivid presence globally. Within India, our branches operate in Delhi, Baroda, Vizag, Kolkata, Chennai, and Kochi. Whereas globally, we operate in almost all Gulf countries and also in UAE, Sweden, and UK. Our deployments span across various Gulf regions. We help people find their dream job not only in Gulf but also in plethora of European countries. We have client interviews scheduled for various clients for numerous positions in the coming week, and we will discuss all of them today, along with our team who will also solve your queries related to them. I would like to introduce you our team of experts who will take you through this life journey. Before we proceed further, I would like to share the information that we have a new Facebook page. You can follow us there. We will pin the link of Facebook page there. Now I would request our DGM operations, Mr. Lalit Maurya, and our Vice President, Mr. Sham, who are the pillars behind all operations and deployments, and to present and explain upcoming requirements to you in detail. Over to you, Lalit sir.
Hi, thank you, Hani. Good afternoon, namaste. Hello, friends. This is Lalit once again from Seagull live session. This week, we will going to discuss upcoming requirements, and we are going to reveal more client interviews. So be with us. Keep sharing us our requirement amongst your friends, and keep liking and give your valuable comments against our advertisement so that we can improve our service more and more. Along with me, our President, Mr. Syam sir, is here. Syam sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for participating in our live section. And you can see that some of the interview schedule on the screen. I just explained to you on 8th, that is tomorrow. We are having the interview in our office in Mumbai office. That is for the Qatar for oil and gas manufacturing. The requirement you can go through our website or LinkedIn or Facebook, and you will find the requirement. You can walk in for interview. It's a client interview. We are also having interview in Cochin tomorrow. That is purely for the building construction and MEP project. You can also walk in interview there. You can contact our Cochin office for the any further details. 9th also we are having interview in our Chennai office. That also building construction project. And 18th we are having interview for the furniture division. That is for the one of the international company based in Bahrain. They are looking for the furniture and interior decoration division. They're looking for the various category like mission operators, furniture carpenters, and the production supervisors, etc. The same interview will be conducted by the client on 20th in Surat and 21st in 22nd in Mumbai. That is, it will be in St. Francis Technical Institute in Borivali. We are having another interview, one of the biggest company for the civil division. That is one day in Siwan on 20th and 21st in Mirganj. For the more details about the existing requirement, I'm handing over to Mr. Levy.
Thank you, sir. Let's we go with the first slide of our requirements. Friends, this is for KSA, Saudi Arabia. And for there, we are looking for long-term employment. We require production engineer, QC engineer, piping supervisor, tank fabricator, CNC machine operator, CAD specialist, and drilling technician. Basically, this company is a manufacturing company. They are making big vessels, columns, heat exchangers, and we need all the people for their manufacturing department. And this will be virtual interview. The right candidate who are the shortlisted by us will go for a virtual round of interview with the client, and once selected, immediate mobilization is will be there. And since it's a virtual interview, so you can approach come directly here Bombay office, or you can go to any of our branch offices. If not possible to attend personally, then let forward your resume on given email IDs. Our team will review your profile, and once you're shortlisted, we'll do virtual interview. Company will give you attractive salary with free food, accommodation, transport, and the lower category are eligible for the overtime also. Friends, we have a requirement that it is for Kuwait location. There we are looking for a switchgear manufacturing company, and we are looking for erection engineer, testing commissioning engineer, production maintenance engineer, design engineer. Very badly we are looking for switchgear and automation manager, mechanical draftsman, engineer, medium voltage as well as light voltage engineer. We are looking for, and electrical panel design engineer. Two type of design engineer we want. One is the for project, one is for the panel board. And this will also virtual in round of interview. uh, I request, if anyone having the relevant experience, let forward your resume on given email ID. Our team will do first round interview, and the next round of interview with the client. Once selected, mobilization will be immediate. This is a very prestigious company in Kuwait, and company will give you all benefits like free food, accommodation, transport, and for engineer is a yearly contract. So you will get yearly vacation also. So please forward us your resume. Friends, we have one more interview. You can see the company name. That is for short-term project. Already we are doing today interview on Anup Tech, but the same client will be here in Chennai on 10th July. Transcend is the address. There we are doing interviews, client interview, and there we are looking for mechanical fitter, pipe fitter, fabricator, and fire watcher, permit holder, welder, multi. These are the requirements. So if any candidates having a shutdown experience, please visit our Chennai office in advance, submit your passport, and get interview call letter. If not possible, you can go to directly at the venue by after 2 o'clock. Our representative will be there. They will help you in that. Friends, next slide will be for Qatar. It's again short-term requirement. There we are looking for the people for the scaffolding, and that it again the CV selection, and after CV selection, if client required, they will do virtual round of interview. And uh, we are scaffolding side admin who having the at least 3 to 5 years of experience required, and that it's a total free requirement. Company will give you all the benefits, and you can come to Bombay office, or if not possible, let forward your resume. Our team will review and they will call you. After that, we will do a client interview. Friends, as you can see here in the advertisement, this is for the one of the prestigious company in Qatar. Already we released 2 3 advertisement. By end of July or maybe mid of first week of August, there will be client interview, and that is for a baselot project, long term contract, and they offer you very good salary. Even the rigger or technician level also salary will be very excellent level, and all benefits they will give. And but yeah, for this requirement we are looking for the people who can read and write English language. Basically there will be the written examination, and the only shortlisted candidate are eligible for the final interview. So if you are confident and you want to get this job, please visit any of our branch office and get shortlisting of your resume and get interview call letter. where once your paper approved, immediately we will process your visa. There we are looking for rigger, volt technician, electrical technician, pipe and structure fabricator, pipe fitter, fire and gas technician, welder, instrument technicians, then inventory clerk, logistic yard operator with Qatar license, valid or expired, both will do. Then senior equipment operator, again the valid or expired, both license will do. But all requirement, the common criteria is that candidate should read and write English language. Next, please. Friends, we have the one more requirement that's for Qatar location, but it's for the short-term project, free recruitment. Heavy automobile technician we are looking for is not in big number, 5 numbers we are need. So if you're having that experience, please forward your resume. Our team will do first round interview and the next round interview with the client. Friends, we have one more requirement that's for Qatar, and there we are looking for senior civil engineer, civil supervisor, HSC site officer, senior engineer instruments engineer, uh, loss prevention engineer, CAD designer, planning engineer, cost control engineer. This is also one of the very prestigious company, free recruitment, and they need the people for the long term. The civil shortlisting is in process. If any person having the relevant experience, especially into oil and gas, let forward your resume. Our team will do first round interview. After shortlisting by Seagull, there will be client virtual interview. It may be the next week, whenever it is. Prior to interview, we'll inform you for the preparation. And as I said, this is a free recruitment. Company will offer you very good salary with all benefits. Next, please. For UAE, one of the government project, we need appointed person. As you can see, we want the particular certification because the project is, as mentioned in the artwork, for that project only we need this such manpower. And as you know, this is for the government project. The salary will be excellent, all benefit as per the government only. And CV selection criteria, interview mode will be virtual interview, and it's going all over this pan India level. If you are not able to come to any of our branch office, then forward your resume. Our team will do first round interview and final round interview with the client virtually. Next, please. Friends, we need one. We have the one more requirement that's for UE long-term project. There we are looking for instrument technician, instrument fitter. All candidates should have maintenance experience in oil and gas company. Shortlisting is in process. Only shortlisted candidate will do virtual interview with the client. So if anyone having the experience, please forward or email us your CV. Our team will review and will get back to you with the final date of interview. We have one more requirement that's for Oman. There we are looking for fiber laser operators. Basically, it's a kind of CNC operator, but the person should having the experience in CNC cutting or cutting through the laser fiber laser light. Such operator we need, and the product will be the fiber sheet, and we need the who having the experience to cutting those fiber sheet. Basically, the machine will be CNC machine, and this is for the Oman, and it's again a virtual interview. If any candidates having the relevant experience, please forward your resume. We'll do first round of interview. If we found okay, then we'll propose your CV to the client for the final virtual interview. Friends, as I said, this interview is already is going on in Anup Tech. So if you are still available, interested, unable to reach here in Bombay office, you can go directly to Anup Tech and face this client interview. Next, please. Friends, we have one more requirement that's for KSA. There we are looking for planning engineer, torquing and bolting engineer, torquing and bolting supervisor. It's for a short-term project. It's again the virtual interview. Shortlisted people, client will do virtual interview, and it's an immediate mobilization. We need the people very badly, especially planning engineer. The person should have oil and gas experience, especially in shutdown experience we are preferring most. And you can forward your resume if having the relevant experience. Our team will do first round interview and immediately will schedule the client interview. Mobilization will be immediate. Company will is a free recruitment. All benefit company will give you. We have another requirement. It's again the virtual interview or CV selection. We are looking for electroplater for EOE. Is one of the very reputed company in EOE. They need 10 electroplaters who having at least 2 3 years of experience. Interview mode either telephonic or virtual interview, and salary is excellent. They will give salary, food allowance, overtime, accommodation, transport. Mobilization will be also immediately after selection. So if any person having such experience, please visit our Chennai office, or you can come to our Bombay or any of our branch office. You can go and submit your profile. We have one more requirement that's for Qatar. It's again CV selection. There we are looking for HSC trainer, and it's short-term project, free recruitment. Once your profile is shortlisted, immediate mobilization will be there. Company offer you good salary. Apart from the good salary, you will get free food accommodation, and that shortlisting is going on in all our branch offices. You can approach any of branch office and submit your profile. We have one more requirement that's for Qatar. Interviews already in process. Some interviews virtually we are doing. There we are looking for CNC operator, but we need the CNC operator who having the specific experience means requirement. For example, who work in CNC with the forge job. Then we want SVOF thermal spray coating operator. Then we want CNC operator who having experience 10-inch hollow spindle horizontal lathe machine. We want CNC who operate VTL machine. Cylindrical grinding machine operator we want. It's also come into the CNC machine only. And we want the blaster and painter who can read and write English. At least 90% English should be there. It is one of the very prestigious company in Qatar. Is a free recruitment, CV selection. Will do virtual interview later on, and the free food, accommodation, transport, and we need quite good numbers of people for these categories. Yeah, this all the requirements. But then now we are going to with some queries. If you have anything, I'm going to reply one by one. HVC yeah, Mr. Najrul Haq, QC supervisor and welding supervisor. Yes, we do have this opening. I request let you visit our Bombay office, submit your profile, and we will propose your CV from our various requirement. Mr. Radik Raja, you are if you are into the safety and you have the relevant certification, definitely we have the interviews. Some interviews already we scheduled and some in pipeline. So please visit our Bombay office or let forward your resume on our email IDs. Mr. Srinivas Rao. No issue, Mr. Srinivas Rao. Once your visit visa expired, you come to Bombay, forward your resume. Will definitely give you some good opportunity. Welding supervisor, yes, we have opening. We have few interviews also. So I request forward your resume. We'll go through your profile. If found suitable, we'll call you for the interview. Mechanical technician, yes, we have many opening for the mechanical technician. If we having the rotating experience or static experience, that's a plus point. Let forward your resume. Will our team will review, and if any suitable opening is there, we'll propose your resume. Mr. Kunath, we have one project for the nuclear in UAE, but we need to check whether they need PVR experienced people or not, because there we are looking for only electrical technician, electronic or instrument technician. So I'll request forward your resume. I'll propose this to our client. If they have any opening, definitely we'll do something for you. Mechanical degree, Mr. Mahmood. Mechanical degree with 4.5 years of experience in QC. Experience letter is mandatory for our some of the client. They want experience letter, but it's okay. Let you come to our Bombay office, show your resume, show your all qualification certificate. If we found suitable, so definitely we'll do something for you, Mr. Mahmood. Yes, we have a certain requirement for building project, and there we are looking for QA/QC engineer. So, Shehbaz, let forward your resume. You can see there are many artworks related to the civil, building, and commercial. I request forward your resume on that Gmail IDs. Our team will review and they give you a chance for the interview. Yes, Mr. Vishwanath, we want people for structural steel background, especially into the fabrication. We have many opening for the fabrication shop. So please forward your resume, Mr. Vishwanath. Mohammad Karim. Yes, Karim, as I said, we have many opening for mechanical technician, mechanical fitter, technician with experience in rotating or statics. If you are available here in Bombay, please visit our Bombay office. Or if not possible, let forward your resume on email ID. Our team will review and will give you one chance for the interview. Mr. Yasir, if you are into production, we need to understand which kind of production experience you have, whether it's steel production, fabrication shop, or what kind of production experience you have. I request you go to our Chennai office, show your resume, get shortlist, and our team, Chennai team, definitely help you for the right opportunity. Mr. Solomon, basically we are recruiting the Indians only. So I'm sorry for this. Out of India, we can't do anything. Other nationality, we can't do anything. Whereas civil supervisor, we have opening for the Oman. You can see our Oman artwork. There are certain requirements there for related to civil. If you're having the Gulf experience, that's good. You forward your resume. Our team will review and they give you a chance for the interview. Mechanical project engineers also we have opening, Mr. Vineet Kashyap. But we before that we want to review your profile. How many is of Gulf experience? How many shutdown experience? And where you work. Based on that, we will recommend you some opportunity, Mr. Vineet. Infrastructure project related also we have opening, Mr. Santosh Chaudhary. But again, before committing any specific job, we need to review your CV. So forward your resume, we'll go through your profile. Accordingly, our consultant, our team will suggest you the good opportunity. Yes, Mr. Wagela, process plant operator for offshore, we have opening. We are expecting some client for the offshore related to a plant operating job. Uh, I would request you keep follow our advertisement. Very soon you will get such requirement. Yes, Mr. Ejaz Tiki, we want safety managers, safety engineers, safety officers, and if we have, but that relevant certification should be required. So please forward your resume. Our team will review. If found suitable, definitely will propose some job. Yes, Miss Honey.
Thank you, Lalitha, for sharing the so much information with us. And now I would like to invite Sham sir for further interviews information. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Good afternoon again. This is for the Qatar, one of the international company. They're looking for the CNC operators and other the position which you mentioned here. And we have clearly mentioned that it is working in Dari on 8th and 10th of July. And our different branches, Mumbai, Chennai, Baroda, and Cochin, whichever office near to you, you can walk in Dari for the same position. This is for the Lithuania. We have looking for urgently 50 numbers heavy duty drivers. The salary we have already mentioned that. Other benefits you will get it. If you have a GCC license, is okay. Otherwise, Indian license, valid license is also will accept it. And the age will be approximately 20 to 45 years. Who can understand English? You can walk in any of their branches or our Mumbai office. Submit your CV. Yeah, this is one of the prestigious company in Saudi Arabia. They're looking for the various directors, various departments. I mean, it's project directors, operation directors, manager, contract managers, estimation code managers, scaffolding, operation, manager, and construction. This is most of the requirement they're looking for the Aramco project. You may please share your CVs, and we will definitely in touch with you. Who all should have GCC experience in construction. This is the same the company Lithuania, that is for the welders, you're looking for the 50 numbers. You can walk in Mumbai office, any of our branch office, and submit your CVs. This is for Abu Dhabi, one of the international company. They're looking for the lifting and rigging supervisor, the foreman ENI, the job performer, mechanical technicians, and mechanical foreman, rigger signals. You can walk in our Mumbai office tomorrow or Monday. It's an urgent requirement, and the departure will be by end of this month. This also for the Lithuania requirement. We have clearly mentioned. This is for fitter, structural. We are looking for electrician with industrial experience, the packaging workers and general laborers and construction workers, and the butchers. You can walk in with your documents, any of your branch office or head office. Immediately submit your documents, and we will be in touch with you immediately once you submit the documents. This is one of the prestigious company in Oman. They are having the PDO project. They're looking for the project manager who's having experience in oil and gas, especially for the EPC project and construction project. The salary which you mentioned that around 2,000 to 3,000 Omani Riyal plus other benefits you will get. This is one of the leading diamond and gold jewelry in Oman. They're looking for the male sales executive who's having experience in the similar field. And the interview will be held in Mumbai office by first week of August. You can send your CVs, and shortlisted candidate will be called for the interview. It's a totally free recruitment. Uh, this this is for one of the EPC company in Muscat. They're looking for all these positions for their prestigious oil and gas project. It's a construction oil and gas project. They're looking for the senior project control managers, senior planning engineers, senior project engineers, site planning engineers. All should have a mechanical engineer. Should be a mechanical engineer in BTEC and having GCC experience in construction of oil and gas project. This is one of the international company, oil and gas. They're looking for the estimation engineer who's having experience in oil and gas industry. The salary will be approximately 3,500 to 4,000 US dollar with other benefits. You can send your CVs and is an urgent requirement. This also for one of the international company for oil and gas project. They're looking for site managers, maintenance planners, QA/QC engineers, work technician, the advisors, and you can walk in with your CVs any of their branches or head office, or you can share the CVs by the given email ID. This is Bahrain, one of the international company. They're looking for the interior decoration and furniture division, and the various category which is mentioned: that architectural fabricators, machine carpenters, CNC operators, finishing carpenters, all. And we will be conducting an interview in Cochin on 18th and 19th, and we are conducting interview on 20th in Surat and 22nd in Mumbai. You can walk in for interview or submit your CVs any of the branches, and we will ask you to come for the interview as per the given dates. It's a client interview. This requirement is very urgent, and it's an urgent requirement. The departure will be by end of the month. You need walk in with all your CVs. If you have experience in maintenance or oil and gas or shutdown project, we are immediately looking for the job performer, building foreman, piping foreman, hydro test foreman, hydro test technician, cocaine technician, sandblaster, painter, industrial electrician. We have already mentioned the salary. Apart from the salary, you will get food and accommodation and the overtime. You need to submit your CV within a day or two, and we will going to complete all the processing by 10th of this month. This is for Abu Dhabi, an international company. They're looking for the store coordinator who's having oil and gas experience. They specialize who will be familiar with painting and insulation materials. This is also one of urgent requirement. This is for Oman. This will be a maintenance project for the having maintenance project. Lead engineers with electrical, supervisor electrical, technician electrical. This is HSE environment protection specialist, environmental inspection technician, fabricators, welders. You may please send your CVs or open any of the given our branches or head office to submitting your CVs. This is for Qatar, looking for the maintenance and MEP project. They're looking for the senior mechanical engineers, facilities in charge, engineer instrumentation, engineer electrical, engineer HVAC, supervisor HVAC, foreman, betting. Shortlisted candidate will be interviewed by the client by end of this month, and you can share your CVs or walk in any of their branches, especially in Chennai and Cochin, or head office in Mumbai, to submit your CVs. This is for Saudi Arabia. This is another one of the biggest company having the prestigious project with Aramco. They're looking for very senior people like QC manager, QC engineers, QC inspectors, senior estimation, engineering with requirement, and QA/QC engineers, lead administrator, engineers, cost control, engineer, estimation, etc. We have already given the contact details of our branches and head office. Please share your CVs or you can walk in for interview. This also for the Qatar, for the cement factory, one of the prestigious cement factory. We will be conducting interview with various locations in India, in North India and South India. and submit your CVs. Who's having experience in cement factory or similar experience, you can send your CV to our given email ID, and we will contact you. This is as mentioned in the advertisement. This is for the Dubai trade off. We are looking for the various categories. It's a huge requirement. The machinist, foreman, mechanical foreman, mechanical fitters, and RP foreman, and the technician. And this is all huge requirement. The candidate who is having the shipyard experience will be given, marine or shipyard offshore experience will be given, and it's a completely free recruitment. Submit your CV to any of the branches, or we are given all the branch details to the given advertisement. You can submit your CVs or send your CV by mail. We will contact you. It will be a virtual interview. Mr. Hamad, BMS modeler, you can share your CVs as and when we receive the requirement, our team will be in touch with you. मिस्टर रंजित प्रजापति, आपने देखा होगा हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट हर एक हफ्ते में हमारे पाइपेटर का इंटरव्यू चालू है. आपको हमारे ऑफिस में आ सकते हैं, आपका सीवी सबमिट कर सकते हैं. See, our Mr. Samir, we just our advertisement, you must have seen that the clip in that clearly mentioned storekeeper. We are looking for store coordinator. We are looking for having experience in oil and gas. You can walk in your interview in our head office or submit your CVs any of the branches or send by mail. It's an urgent requirement. Yes, we do have a branch in Delhi, Mr. Parveen. Mr. Umesh, 10 years experience, in which field you have not mentioned that? Mr. Patel, yes, we have a requirement, Mr. Patel, for the instrument technician. You please send your CVs and we will immediately contact you. You can also submit your CVs in our Baroda branch. Mr. Sultan, we have an urgent requirement for the mechanic technician. If you are in Mumbai, come for the walk-in interview by tomorrow, or submit your CVs any of the branches. Mr. Yusuf, in Saudi Arabia आपको क्या experience है, आपने नहीं बताया. Mr. Belunki, we do have a requirement, urgent requirement for the who's having with and other RTBT, UTPT, all experience. You send your CVs or by mail, we will contact you. Mr. Vijay, the plastic production currently we don't have any that kind of requirement. However, you can share your CVs, and as and when you receive the requirement, certainly we'll be in touch. Mr. Edward, the safety officer is a permanent requirement, but you are in Guyana, it will be difficult because we need to be in India. We say immediate requirement. The person in India will be given the preference. Mr. Robin, we are having interview civil engineers tomorrow on 8th. Tomorrow 8th at Cochin and 9th in Chennai. If you are surrounding those areas, you can walk in interview for tomorrow if you are having experience in building construction project. not oil and gas. Mr. Mokirim, we do have a requirement for the Aramco approved safety officers. Please send your CVs on urgent basis. Our team will be in touch with you. Mr. Ragarajan, we have some requirement for the oil and gas electrical engineer. You send your CVs, we will contact you urgently. We have just our advertisement we appeared in the social media, Mr. Akbar. We are looking for the HVAC engineers having experience in maintenance. This is for one of the leading MEP the company in Qatar. You may please send your CVs. We'll be in touch with you without any delay. Mr. Nagarajan, I already informed that we are having the requirement for electrical engineer. Please send your CV. मिस्टर अरुण कुमार आपको ऑफिस में थे कल वॉक इन इंटरव्यू कर सकते हैं हमारा अबू धाबी के लिए हमारे पास रिक्वायरमेंट है आपको कल हमारे मुंबई ऑफिस में आ सकते नहीं तो आपका सीवी ईमेल में भेज सकते Mr. Mohammed, we have some requirement for the FM manager. Please share your CV. Not for the UAE, not for Oman region we are having now. You can send the CVs. Mr. Hassan, civil engineer with building experience, our interview will be held tomorrow at Cochin, day after tomorrow at Chennai. If you have a certain experience, we have junior position as well. You can knock in for the interview. Mr. Vijay Singh, we are urgently looking for 3 construction manager for the oil and gas. You please send your CVs. We are really very badly looking for the construction manager who is having experience in oil and gas. Mr. Dhaval, no, currently we don't have any manufacturing company at the moment. However, you can share your CVs. As and when the requirement comes, our team will be in touch. Civil engineer, currently we are only for the oil and gas and building projects. Mr. Arif Khan, आप मुंबई में है तो कल हमारे ऑफिस में वॉक इन कर सकते हैं मुंबई ऑफिस में we already release an ad to walk in tomorrow and Monday. You submit your CVs and the departure will be end of this month. This is an urgent requirement.
Thank you, Shyam sir. Thank you for clearing the queries, and thank you for sharing the information with us, sir. We have a head office in Mumbai of Seagull. You can visit our office. And we have branches in Kochi, Chennai, Barodara, Delhi, Vizag, and Kolkata. Dubai, also in Dubai and UK. We have interviews lined for 8th July in Mumbai office for Qatar for oil and gas manufacturing, 8th July, Cochin Hotel Grand for Oman, 9th July, Chennai for building construction project, 18th July, Cochin furniture interior, 20 July, Surat furniture interior, 20th July, Siwan civil construction, 21st July, Mirganj civil construction, and 22 July, Mumbai for furniture interior. You can take the screenshot, and you can also call on these numbers, or you can scan this the QR, or you can take screenshot, or you can share your CV on the given mail. Thank you so much, Mr. Lalit sir and Sham sir, for taking out time from your busy schedules to help us conduct this live smoothly. Thank you to all viewers for joining us today. We really appreciate you commenting and interacting with our team so seamlessly. We also want to apologize for not being able to respond to all your questions, as it's not in our capacity to do so. But you can contact us on these shown numbers on the screen at any given time. You can also scan the QR to visit our website. On our website, at the top right corner, you will find the Apply Now button highlighted in red, in which you can upload your CVs as per our requirements. For those who have mailed us your resume, we will review and get back to you on based on our requirements as soon as possible. We request you to be patient with us. You can also follow us on our social media platforms, in which we regularly upload of our requirements along with the interview information and contact details. And I would like to introduce you our new Facebook page. You can follow us there also, and we share the interview information as well. Thank you once again for joining us today. We conduct such live session all for audience every week on the same platform. Thank you once again. Have a great day ahead.